Hello students, this is me, Saurabh Avasthi, English faculty of Mount Litra G School, Jhansi. Today, we are going to discuss about the third part of this chapter, Wizard Hit Mommy, where up till now we have studied that how Jo was listening that story and she was totally indulged in the story. Now we are going to study in this part about the mother and the Roger skunk, when mother is going to get angry on him and going to take him back to the wizard so that the smell of roses may be converted into the old bad smell. So let's begin with the story, students. Here what is going to happen is that she took an umbrella and went back with Roger skunk and hit that wizard right over the head, where Jo said to her father that no, and put her hand out to touch his lips, yet even in her agitation did not quite dare to stop the source of truth where inspiration came to her. So here, students, you can see that how that girl stopped her father when he said that mom just hit that wizard. So now the wizard who was hit on the head and did not change the little skunk back, here in this part that girl became little angry with her father and said that this part is wrong, because here mother have hit that wizard, because he was thinking according to the skunk that the good smell which he was having, he is going to lose that smell now, and also he is going to leave and also going to lose his friends also. So her broad face looked at him through shifted light as down. This is what happened. Then Roger, what possible plot line could the story continue with? Skunk and his mommy went home and they heard woo 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 woo, and it was the choo 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 train where the father was returning back. And when Roger skunk was in bed, mommy skunk came up and hugged him and said he smelled like her little baby skunk again, and she loved him very much. And that's the end of the story. But daddy, again Jo interrupted in between and said how it can be the end of the story, because now other little animals will also run away from him. So here father is going to reply that because now according to the father, the other animals who were there in the jungle have got used to that bad smell. But now Jo was not happy with this ending of the story. And Jo also realized one more new thing, that was that she realized that her father was defending his own mother to her, or something as odd. So now said that now I want you to put your big heavy head in the pillow and have a good long nap. He adjusted the shade so that no crack of day showed, and now he asked her to sleep. But when he turned, she was crouching on top of the covers and staring at him. And finally, at last, when the daddy understood that the girl is not going to understand, and the girl said that tomorrow I want you to tell me the story that wizard took that magic wand and hit that mommy. She wants that ending of the story. But father was trying to give some other lesson, but here the girl was not trying to understand that. So now finally that girl wants that the wizard should hit the mommy and the smell of roses should be with the skunk only. So now for tomorrow they were going to have that change in the story now. So this was the story of Roger Skunk, where and here father was trying to avoid that ending of the story and wants to tell her that Roger Skunk respect his mother. That's why he don't want any change in the story. But Joanne, that girl, she was not listening to anything and she want the complete change in the story at the end. Now finally Jack was very much tired now because it was so late night, and when after that asking to her his daughter to sleep, then he just went out of the room. He went downstairs. There he saw his wife, the lady who used to work too much, and the hard work which he have seen, that means of hers, the woodwork, a cage of moldings and rails and baseboards all around them. That means he just saw that lady and he was just thinking about the hard work of that lady. And finally he reached to her, but he was unable to speak anything over there because he was knowing one thing, that he was tired too much and now he also needs to take a nap. He wants to sleep now. So here students, I hope that you must have understood the message which has been given by this story, that you should respect your mother, you should respect your parents, because whatever they are thinking for you, that is much better thing for you, because they have lots of experience and they have seen number of things and they know what is good and what is bad for your future and for you. So that's why it is a great message for you, my dear students, that you should learn how to care and respect your parents. So this was the story. Take care. Should Wizard Hit Mommy, the third part of it, and now we have came to the end of the story. So now stay at home, stay safe and stay healthy. Take care. Thank you so much.